If Microsoft Clipchamp is giving you an export error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get your video exported successfully. This is especially useful if your project keeps failing at the final step, freezing during export, or just refuses to complete. By the end, you'll know exactly what to try first, what settings to change, and how to improve your chances of a smooth export. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's start with the first and easiest step. Open Clipchamp and load the project that is giving you trouble. If the error only happens in one specific project, that tells you the issue may be related to the size, effects, browser, or system resources used by that file. Once your project is open, go to the export options and reduce the export quality. In most cases, choosing 720p instead of a higher resolution can make a big difference. Lower export quality puts less pressure on your computer and can help the export finish successfully when higher settings are causing the problem. Next, close any other tabs and apps that you are not using. Exporting video can use a lot of memory and processing power, so if your computer is already busy running other programs, Clipchamp may struggle to complete the job. Close extra browser tabs, shut down heavy apps, and free up as many system resources as possible before trying the export again. This simple step often fixes temporary export failures. If the problem continues, the next thing to try is hardware acceleration. Open your settings, go to the system options, and look for the setting that says Use Hardware Acceleration. Turn it on, then relaunch Clipchamp if prompted. Hardware acceleration lets your computer use the graphics processor to help with video tasks, which can improve performance and fix export issues on some systems. If it was already enabled, you may still want to toggle it off and back on again just to refresh the setting. Another useful fix is to split a large project into smaller parts. If your timeline is very long, full of effects, or packed with high-resolution media, Clipchamp may have trouble exporting everything at once. Try exporting the project in sections instead of one huge file. You can combine those parts later if needed. This is a smart workaround when the export error seems tied to project size or complexity. Now let's clear the cache. Over time, browser data and temporary files can interfere with web-based editing tools like Clipchamp. Go into your settings, find the privacy section, and choose Clear Browsing Data. After that, restart your browser and open Clipchamp again. Clearing the cache can remove corrupted temporary files and help reset the app used so it works more smoothly. If you're still stuck, try switching to a different browser. Clipchamp tends to work best in Chrome or Edge, so if you're using another browser and getting export errors, switching can help right away. Even if you are already using one of those browsers, updating it to the latest version is a good idea. Browser compatibility can have a big impact on video exporting, especially for web-based editors. At this point, if the export still fails, go back through the steps and test the project again after each one. Sometimes the fix is as simple as lowering the resolution, closing background apps, or clearing the cache. In other cases, the export error is caused by a combination of issues, and it may take 2 or 3 fixes together to solve it. The key takeaway is that most Clipchamp export errors can be fixed by reducing the load on your system and making sure the browser and app settings are working in your favor. Start with 720p. Close everything unnecessary, enable hardware acceleration, split large projects if needed, clear cache, and use Chrome or Edge for the best results. If this video helped you fix your Microsoft Clipchamp export error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.